Here's a very interesting little trinket. Look, what's that for? I don't know. Oh, do you recognise him? I've forgotten to put his name and address there, but no doubt I'll find it somewhere else. But here's the clever part. This little wheel here, when you turn it round, disguises him. And disguises him more. And disguises him more. Goodness me, what a clever idea. Now he really is disguised. I think we're back to the beginning. Oh no, one last thing there. So you can make him appear in 4 different ways. And I still don't know who he is. But that's a very, very clever little gadget. You just take the card out, put one in, it has to be a particular size, name and address, and then have all the fun of giving him disguises without him realising how funny he looks, each one. Very nice idea to give as a little present for somebody, isn't it? Someone who likes putting on makeup, I suppose.